Hey, what's up everybody? Jacob Rothenberg here, bringing to you a really quick video on Amazon Kindle self-publishing. What I want to talk about today briefly is just how to write out an outline that you will need to use when you're outsourcing books or writing content overall to a ghostwriter or a ghostwriting company. Now, I prefer to work with a ghostwriting company. There is nothing wrong at all with using freelancers. I just choose to work with companies for the scale that I prefer to operate at. So, what I have here is the actual outline that I used for my Ethereum crypto book back when I just was starting out with my self-publishing blueprint. It was one of my first books after taking the course, and it was a book that made me over $7,000 and cost about 350 to produce overall. So, what led to a lot of success with that book was that I took the time to write out an actual outline, nothing too fancy, nothing too in depth, but just an outline that had what I wanted as actual chapters. So we had the introduction, what is Ethereum? How is it used as a currency? How does it work? How do you mine it? And how to invest it. And at the time when Ethereum was still brand new to the general population, no one really knew how to use it. So I sold a lot of books explaining each of these topics that I thought would be most attractive for a reader willing to pay to learn about. Simple. The worst thing you can do is simply submit titles to a ghostwriter or a company and just expect everything to be read out of your mind as far as expectations go. That is not how it works. Write out an outline. Don't try to be lazy and try to outsource everything, assuming that ghostwriters can read your mind or your creative direction. So you could even take this deeper and write out like a customer avatar, what your specific demographic is and what they're going to be looking for, or even what the writing style should be for your book. But in most cases, something as simple as this outline should do. Thank you.